Right now, someone is using the same phone, yeah, someone is making money with the same phone you are using to scroll on internet. No office, no laptop. So you just have to ask yourself, what are they doing differently? So that is what I will be sharing with you. The things you can use your phone, how you can use your phone to make money in this 2026 without wasting much of our time. The number one thing then you can do is freelancing. So under that freelancing, if you know how to write very well, they will pay you on online with your smartphone to write for them, and they will pay you very very well. I know that this writing job is a lucrative business that you can do, and you will get a lot for them. And if you know how to do video editing, you are good to go. They will also pay you to edit video for them. All these content creating that are looking for people to edit video for them, that they don't have much time to do that, you can also do that kind of job for them, and they will pay you massively. If you know how to design graph, that is graphic design, you can also make money from this same graphic design that you people are not even thinking about, that is going to give you the money that you need. So the number two on my list is affiliate marketing. You guys know this affiliate marketing. The good thing about this is not even something that you will need to go out for you to do this kind of business, this affiliate marketing. You just have to promote other people's products online. If you share their link on your WhatsApp, on your social media, and people get to click from that link that you shared and buy from with on that link, you are going to earn a commission. So that is how this affiliate marketing used to work. You earn pay buy. You earn a commission from the product that people purchase from them, from through the link that you shared on your social media handle. So it's a business, a good business that you can do at the comfort of your home with just your smartphone and your data on. So the number three on my list is selling products. That is selling of products online. What I mean by selling of products online is you can sell clothes, you can sell wig, you can sell gadgets, you can sell many things online, and you will make money from it. You just have to know the strategy, the ways for you to do your business, to advertise your business, to market your business. If you are doing any business on online, you don't need to be shy. You don't need to be, you just know how to communicate with people, know how to do it, and you are going to get a lot of sales, a lot of massive sales from it. So the number four is selling of digital products. So what I mean by selling of digital products is this: if you know how to write in books, if you know how to you can sell your in-books online. You can also sell your course, your tablet, and your guide. So if you know how to do this digital product online, you are going to make a lot of cool cash from this app. Just have to know how to do it. And the advice I will give you is this: if you want to do any of this, or if you are interested in doing any of these things I have mentioned, you just have to do some research online to get more guides on how to do it, on how to follow it up, so that you are going to make a lot of sales from this business. So selling of digital products online, just have to sell your course, have what you are going to sell, have what you're going to present to people to buy. That is what I mean. Selling of your course, your in-book, your tablet, and your guide. There are many things you can do under that selling of digital products. Just have to mention some of the things, some few ones that you can do, and you can also do more research on it. So the number six, I think it's number six we are into. The number six on my list is AI plus your phone. That is it. AI plus your phone. That is, you can use AI to create content. You can use AI for content creation. And the what people do not know about this AI content creating is this: there are money in this AI content. People love to watch all this AI content. They love to watch it. It's very very good. It's very very, both in the way they used to analyze, the way they used to describe everything is so so good, and the amount this AI is generating for people are so massively, both on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. People are making money from this AI content creating. You can use AI for your prompt, that is to generate your prompt. You can also use AI to generate your niche, that is your video ideas on what to post. You can use AI for your images, for many things that you can use AI to do. So that is it. That is number 5. God. So the last one on my list that is going to make you a millionaire in this 2026, guys, that people do not know about is content creating. That is what me I'm doing right now. I'm creating content. So content creating is an oil money that some people do not want to start. They are just procrastinating it. I will start it today, tomorrow, next on. So for you to make money from content creating, you just have to be posting your videos. Pick your niche, start posting videos, very simple, interesting video, inspiring video, problem solving videos. And when you are monetized, you are going to make money from your views, your ads and promotion, and they are going to pay you massively. And that time you are going to enjoy your content so well. You just have to be consistency, focus on it, know what you are doing, know what your content is all about. Is it for teaching? Is it for inspiring? Is it for just for fun? Is it for fun, or is it a problem solving content? Just know what you are putting out there, and you are going to make it. So the last one I'm going to drop here is, there are no let me be honest with you, there are no magic app that is going to make you a millionaire, a billionaire overnight without being consistency. People that are doing this kind of business, they have consistency, they are focused, and it took them a lot of time for them to start, for them to be in that place, in that position that they are into. So you just have to be consistency, focus, and stay in that one. Just pick one business from this thing I have mentioned here, and stay consistency, focus, and you are going to make it. You are going to make it big in a massive way. Thank you very much once again. Follow me for more tips. If what I drop for you is inspiring and valuable, please don't forget to like my video, comment, subscribe, and share for more amazing money making tips to come. Bye.